Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this ZealSound A68T microphone. That's an RGB microphone and arm combo. By the way, I think ZealSound really good brand. I've already tested one of their microphones and it has been working really good, so I have pretty high expectations. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get here, how to set it up, and then of course I'm going to show how it works live with some live recording. And so here is what we get. Comes with this nice booklet as instructions manual in English, German and some Asian language, and everything comes nicely protected. Especially here you can see a lot of foam. That's very important, so you don't have to be worried that something gets damaged. Especially important if you want to buy this as a gift. And so here's the microphone itself. Looks really good. It's a pretty lightweight microphone. That's something which I like, so we don't have to be worried about super heavy weight. Some of the microphones are super heavy and then it can be difficult to mount, so this puts less stress on a table. And then we have USB-C to USB-C cable, but it comes with an adapter, so we still have the option to use USB A legacy. That's something which I really like, and it comes with this pop filter and a decent clamp for the table, some velcro straps, and the arm itself, and it has even some included RGB light. And here we have the controller for the light, and the arm is definitely very solid. That's full metal. Of course we don't want to have plastic here, and the arm itself is very flexible, so we can extend it. Comes also with this nice screw here. If you have found the perfect angle, you can secure it so it stays like that. And of course another screw here. Yeah, apart from really solid, this bracket is also very wide, so this should fit pretty much for any kind of thickness of your desk. By the way, the microphone holder comes with this nice shock mount, and the microphone itself has this mute button in the front. We have the gain control underneath. We have even a headphone jack for live monitoring, and of course USB-C port, and so we can add the microphone here easily. Just make sure that you put the front really in the front, because in front we have these parts here where we can add the pop filter. Just push it down. Yeah, really nice construction. Yeah, and so I've installed this microphone already here, and it has an absolutely solid hold. Was super easy to mount. And so I have this flexible arm here. By the way, I'm already recording this video here from this microphone, so when I move a little bit you can probably hear a little bit of a difference, but I still wanted that you can hear the full rest of the video recording from this microphone. Of course the video itself is coming from this camera, but the audio is recorded by this microphone here. And so you can see how nicely this looks. We have these different colors. I've reduced a little bit the light. I hope you can still see everything nice and clear. Of course the microphone and the light need two different USB connections, and for the light we have this remote control, so we can turn it off and on. We can decrease the brightness. Here is this remote control. We can increase it, and we have a lot of different color settings. You can see that here, some solid settings, but also some moving colors, something like that. I like this slowly color changing mode the most. By the way, I can easily move this thing to the side, you can see, and the microphone is performing absolutely awesome. You can see I have this Rode microphone here. Of course it's a desktop microphone, so it's not exactly the same thing as when you have like a boom arm here, so it always sounds a little bit more natural when you are closer, but this thing here blows me absolutely away because the recording is so good, so natural. It has also very low background noise, and the recorded wave signature is really nice and clear. This is very important if you plan to use that to edit some videos here, so you can see the wave pattern really nice and clear, and the sensitivity is also pretty high. It has been removing all the echoing here in this small room, and I think it has a really good quality, good natural audio pickup. By the way, if you don't like the light, you can turn this also off. Also this one, of course, then you don't have any light. When you mute it, it will be red. But the red, of course, is only visible when you have activated the light, not without the light. And another thing about this microphone which I really like is that it has a clear name. So it has the name BKD-11 PRO. A lot of microphones, they don't have a clear name. They have just some generic name, and then they are super hard to find in the system settings. So much better here. I've also tested the latency-free audio monitoring. It has been working absolutely awesome. This works also as a normal output for your computer, so you can hear whatever is coming from the computer, and you can hear everything which is recorded from this microphone both at the same time. After installing, it will be the default audio no matter if you have attached a headset or not, so you have to be careful if you don't hear anything from your computer and have turned on your microphone. Maybe that's the thing here, you have to disable this as an audio output, but it's a really nice option to monitor what you're really recording. So I really like it. Currently my favorite microphone, so I leave it like that and I'm going to use it in the future. I would say a really super interesting offer. The whole set is only around $40. A lot of desktop microphones without boom arm in the same price have much lower quality, so this thing really blows me away. So super interesting offer. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.